In this video, let us solve this problem. So we have in brackets y plus 3 all raised to power 2 is equal to 3 squared. And here, we're going to use 3 methods to solve this problem. So 3 different methods to solve this problem. So for the first one, method 1, for the first method, the problem is in brackets y plus 3 all raised to power 2 is equal to 3 squared. Now, I want you all to look at this right here. This is in the form of a plus b all raised to power 2. And if you have a plus b all raised to power 2, this equals a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. And in this case, the value of a is equal to y, while the value of b is equal to plus 3. So expanding this, we're going to have it as a is y, so y squared plus 2 times a is y times b is 3, then plus b is 3, so 3 squared. And we have expanded this is then equal to 3 squared, and from here y squared plus 2 times y times 3 is equal to 6y. Okay, and here also 3 squared will cancel out 3 squared. What we have left is equal to 0. So with this, y squared plus 6y is equal to 0. And looking at this, we have a common factor here, which is y and y. So factorize out y into brackets. If you bring out y from y squared, we are left with y plus, if you divide 6y by y, we are left with 6. All is equal to 0. At this junction, we can then derive two values of y from here. So from here, y is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, or y plus 6 is equal to 0, y plus 6 is equal to 0. And with this, we've gotten the value of y from here. Okay, now looking at this linear equation, which we have y plus 6 is equal to 0, move plus 6 over to this side of the equation. This becomes y is equal to 0, then minus 6. If plus 6 crosses the equality sign, it changes to minus 6. So y is equal to 0 minus 6 is minus 6. And with this, we've gotten the solutions for y using the first method. Let us then look at the second method. So for the second method, method 2, the problem is y plus 3 all raised to power 2 is equal to 3 squared. So with this, the first thing we're going to do is to move 3 squared over to this side of the equation, and this becomes y plus 3 all raised to power 2. Then if plus 3 squared crosses the equality sign, it changes to minus 3 squared is equal to, here then becomes 0. And looking at this, we have difference of 2 squared. So if you have a squared minus b squared, this is equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. And in this case, value of a in this equation is y plus 3. Y plus 3. Y the value of b is equal to 3. So expanding this, we're going to have it in this form, that in brackets a is y plus 3. So y plus 3, then plus b is 3. So 3 multiplied by a is y plus 3, then minus b is 3. So it's all equal to 0. It's all equal to 0. And from here, y plus 3 is 6. Then y plus 3 minus 3 is 0 is equal to 0. From here, we can say y plus 6 is equal to 0. So y plus 6 is equal to 0. Or from here, that y plus 0, which is y, is equal to 0. And from this linear equation, we have it that y plus 6 is equal to 0. So move plus 6 over to this side of the equation. This becomes y is equal to 0, then minus 6. And from here, the value of y is equal to 0 minus 6 is minus 6. And we've gotten the value of y here also as 0. So as you can see, the value of y is 0 and minus 6. Same thing also as what we got in the using the first method. Y is 0, y is minus 6. So that is that for the second method. Let us then look at the third method. So for the third method, method 3, the problem is given to us as y plus 3 all raised to power 2 is equal to 3 squared. From here, y plus 3 all raised to power 2 is equal to 3 squared is 3 times 3, and that is 9. So with this, we have to eliminate or remove the square from here, and to do so, we will square root the both sides of the equation. So square root y plus 3 all squared is equal to plus or minus square root of 9. So with this, square will cancel square root. We have y plus 3 is equal to plus or minus square root of 9 is 3. And from here, we can move plus 3 over to this side of the equation, and this becomes y is equal to, here we have plus or minus 3. If plus 3 crosses the equality sign, it becomes minus 3. Such that with this, y is equal to plus 3 minus 3, or y is equal to minus 3 minus 3. And from here, the value of y is equal to plus 3 minus 3 is equal to 0, or from here, y is equal to minus 3 minus 3 is equal to minus 6. So as you can see, that the value of y is the same. We got 0 as y, and then second one, y is equal to minus 6. So with this, these are the different methods by which you can solve this question. Okay, I hope you all learned one or two from this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.